How to predict the market. Hi, my name is Camila and today we're gonna find out how to predict the market and took all the profit from the binary options. So today we're not gonna start as usual. Today we're going again to the Forex factory. So let's upload the website and let's see. For example, euro and dollar currencies pair, we can see that it's going for the growing position and let's put for the higher. So what we can see on the market, we can see that this asset is working very unstably. We had the really big maximum, then we had the really big minimum. Also, all the stable areas that we have worked with the really big curves here. As you can see, we have this window with zeros candles, and as you can see, the main thing that I like in this asset that the body of the candles is full and have the big long size. That is very important, that making market a little bit stably. Also, as we can see, we have 2 points of growing here and we continue to grow part by part. Here I'm putting for the minute and a half because this market is kind of moody today, so to be safe we putting this time frame for today. Also, we can see that only 15 seconds left till our deal gonna close up. The market is pretty unstable for sure, but we're still in the winning position or in the middle position. That is making me happy. And also I think that is amazing, guys. We have a profit, the first profit. I think that is amazing opportunity for you to understand the market and to take all the profit that's possible on the binary options. Okay, so we can see that the British pound and the dollar here in the upper positions too. So let's start and find this asset as well. Let's put for a minute and a half for $150 as usual for growing higher, and let's see what's gonna happen. So let's analyze what's happened on the market. Here is the interesting experiment strategy. I'm showing you that we have this opportunity to took the information from this side, but also we have to analyze it. So we had a very big maximum, we had not a very big minimum, and also we going for the stable positions right now. What we can see on the market, we can see that candles have this tail that telling us that we tested the zone downwards, it was not comfortable and we gonna push the price higher. Also here we can see the zone of support very clearly that just popped out here, so very nicely. Also we can see the price is growing as we predicted, as we thought, and we can see that the market is taking a little compensating steps, a big step forward, a little step backwards, but still growing higher. And as you can see, we again having these tails that telling us that the price is going downward. So guys, we having that the price still going upward, guys. So we have the profit again, just 2 in a row in few minutes, 3 minutes, 2 in a row. I'm just amazed how easy it is. So I think that is just amazing. So we can see that the dollar and Japanese yen is working downwards right now. So let's find out this pair. So let's see, let's put to the downwards 1 minute and a half, $150, and let's see what we have on the market. So we had the flow that worked for the downwards for a long time here, but now we trying to compensate it here, but still don't have this stability. As you can see, not very big bodies of the candles. And guys, it's going lower. I'm just amazed how easily you can take the information, use it with the analysis, and make the profit just from 1 second of your analysis. I think that is just amazing. The price is continuing to going lower, and that is just wonderful. Let's see, we continuing to going lower here. We working with a very little curve. It's gonna be a second part of these curves, and the price is falling. I think that is just amazing. 10 seconds till the deal gonna close up, and we are in the perfectly safe zone for the profit, guys. I think just wonderful. And 2, 1, and we have third profit in a row. I think that is just amazing. So guys, let's see, we have Swiss franc and the dollar, but I can see that payout here is really low, so we're not gonna use it. And let's move to the Canadian dollar and the dollar. So let's see. Okay, here we have the good percent, 73%, and let's see, we're going lower for this position, and let's upload for the same chat. So we going lower for minute and a half, $150, and let's see the market working with the curves, with the maximum and minimums easily. You can see that, for example, with the zigzag indicator, as you can see, very intense flow on the market. So what we can see in that special moment, we had lowering positions on the market for a very long time. So then we had a little step upwards, but the longest candle, the last one, gave us this little notice with a tail that probably the price gonna go downwards. And guys, it is going downwards. I think that is this green candle just a little compensating step of backwards and downwards, but still I think we have opportunity to lowering the prices because very unstable situation on the market. First of all, the second of all, as you can see, the candle by itself is going lower and very insecure moving of the market. That is just crazy. Okay, maybe this one won't be profitable. That is okay, guys, that is okay. Okay guys, so we didn't win, but that's okay. Sometimes the market can be like this, and sometimes it works with a different situation on the market. We're just gonna double up using the martingale strategy and still continue for putting lower, because we have the same information about this asset, so we can continue to think what's gonna happen. As I already told you, very tight asset, very tight, very slowly, with very short steps on the market, like lowering or putting higher, very strict one. So as you can see, the price is kinda trying to be pushed downwards, and we just have the resistance zone for sure, I think, here. So I think the price gonna be pushed lower for this moment, but as you can see, again, very unstable, very unreachable, just very fast changing, but we already have this resistance zone that gonna push price to the downwards and things, so that is a good sign for us. And also we can see that the market is very messy, working with curves with very fast maximum and minimums, just few seconds in a row. And as you can see, we didn't have the profit and we didn't lose our money, so that zero profit, a zero loss trade. But I'm interested to continue on this asset because, as you saw, the market went downwards very fastly, so I want to put lower again here on this asset, already in $150, because you know that is just interesting for me how it's gonna work. So as we can see, again, these unpredictable candles with a tail for the upwards and to the downwards. No, we don't know where the price gonna go, but we still continue to going lower. we still continue to going lower, and I think that is just amazing situation for us. 1 minute till the candle gonna close up, till our trade gonna close up, and 3 seconds till the candle gonna close up. We're gonna go the second candle. That's an interesting position, and it's going lower, guys. Very interesting situation on the market. I even ready to put the 2 points on this market for the lowering position, because we didn't have the win on the martingale strategy, and here I'm lowered up to 150. So let's make a double deal right here, because I'm pretty sure that we're gonna go lower here, because we're working with the curves, and still I think that we're gonna work like this in the middle. So very unpredictable asset for us, for sure. Very interesting one. Again, the zero profit, guys. The second in a row, zero profit, not win, didn't lose. Okay, we're gonna close this one up, and let's continue on another asset, because that is starting to be crazy and really nerves me. So we continue for pushing price downwards. That's a second, yeah, just few seconds, and we had the profit, but we didn't had it. So 20 seconds till the trade gonna close up, and what's gonna happen with this candle, even I can't predict for sure. We continue to lowering position on the market, very unstably, unpredictably. Difficult one, really difficult to analyze the market here, really insecure. Okay, we didn't have the profit here. Okay guys, so let's continue. We're gonna using the martingale strategy. Okay, let's use the British pound and Japanese yen. That probably gonna be that's probably gonna be interesting. So we have the lowering position, yeah, for sure here, and as we can see, the price is going lower. We have the tails that telling us about lowering positions. Also, we working with a curve, and we have our growing part of the curve, so now we have to compensate it with the lowering the positions of the price here. That is very interesting, and as you can see, are very long tails. That is telling us that price probably gonna go downwards, because they tested the area upwards and it was not comfortable, but today the market just making me crazy. As you can see, what is that? What the hell happens here? Very unstable, very don't understandably, very strange asset, but still I think that we have this chance for the profit here, because as you can see, the price is lowering at positions, and we still have time for putting the price till the moment we need, but still very uncomfortable. But guys, even with that unpredictable market, we just had the profit here, and I think that is just amazing. So we covered up our loss, and we still in the profitable position. So let's make one more trade. Okay guys, so let's continue. Let's put here for the lowering, because as we can see, this asset, these currencies are in the lowering position on the market, and as you can see, we working with the curves right here. Also, we have this resistance zone, very nice resistance zone right here. A pretty stable market. We working with a stable long time curves, and now we are lowered the price. We pretty in a safe zone right here for our profit, guys, and I even put $400 for this position, so I think that's gonna be a very nice deal. So as you can see, this information from the forex, from the analysis, giving you this plus DARM for start working with some new currencies, new assets, but you have to analyze by yourself, because sometimes it can be unprofitable, sometimes it can be not the perfect time to put the trade in motion so you can have not win, not lose trading deals. But I still think that is a perfect instrument for you and for me, really. And guys, we having the profit again, and I think that is just amazing. So I hope that this video was very interesting and useful for you, because it's something new and interesting for me too. So if you want to grow your capital with me, don't forget about my free Telegram channel where I give absolutely free signals so you can trade with me online. Also, don't forget to subscribe my channel so you won't lose new interesting and useful video. Bye bye.